filmmakers have so consistently explored the exercise of power as the great Hungarian director Miklós Jancsó. His wide-eyed view of what people will do to each other in the name of a political goal is, however, remarkably free of ideological posturing. There is little sense of right or wrong. Instead, we must recognize the brutalities exercised by anyone and everyone. In Winter Wind, the focus is nominally on the ascetic hero Marko Zsaksagér, a Croatian nationalist fighting the Serb-dominated Yugoslavian monarchy after World War I. After killing an official, he is persuaded to escape across the border into Hungary, although he does not want to hide. Most of the rest of the action consists of circling restlessly around Marko and his fellow travelers as they wait to be crushed by the currents of history. Utterly unsentimental, Marko refers to himself and the others as murderers, but is confident that their cause, the liberation of their people, justifies their actions and feels comfortable in thanking a statue of the Virgin for the successful assassination. While his politics might be described as no more complex than anti-Serbian, the ethnicity of any of the characters is irrelevant as Croats, Serbs, and Hungarians are interchangeably ruthless. It is impossible to feel sympathy for anyone, including Marko, much less any suspense about the outcome. Wind is effectively 74 minutes of marking time towards a desolate resolution marked by contradiction, confusion, and bleak ironies. Marko can treat people as loyal comrades, then threaten them. After interrogation, an intruder is told to lie face first in the snow. We may anticipate his execution, but he is told to stand up again and then is shot. As for any warmer relationships, is Marina Vladi Marko's mistress? Or is she the wife of one of his subordinates? Both? Neither? And who and what are the nameless henchmen circling like crows around carrion? The uncertainty results in part from Jancsó's use of extended takes and complex camera movements. Executed with almost sadistic precision, we have to gasp occasionally at the camera work's sheer dexterity, even if the extended shot method tends to obscure narrative and dramatic points. In one sequence, for example, Marko says he is leaving. He gets in a sleigh that takes him away into the distance. The camera tracks with the sleigh, continues moving into the house where Marko has hidden, then recaptures the sleigh in the background through an open doorway. The camera holds as the sleigh returns to the foreground when Marko enters from a different direction, undercutting the intricately choreographed spatial organization with a deliberate, almost casual contradiction. This method could degenerate into sheer trickery, but as each inexorable effect renders these people as automatons wound to the beat of dispirited fanaticism, Jancsó's moral purpose is clear. The result may be history as somnambulism, and Winter Wind is no one's idea of casual entertainment, but it expresses a unique view of political struggle with breathtaking originality and skill.